Welcome to this edition of BurnTech University, presented by Breckwell. In today's video, we will show you how to properly install the room blower in the SP6000 multi-fuel stove. Always refer to your owner's manual. This video is for informational purposes only. If you are unsure about replacing any of the components on the stove, we recommend having a certified electrician or stove technician do this for you. To begin your project, first disconnect power from the stove. The tool needed for today's project is a 5/16 socket driver. Using your socket driver, remove the 4 screws holding the left side panel to the stove. Then pull the panel towards you, then to the back of the stove to remove it. Take note of the control board connections, then remove the wires from the board, including the Molex plug. Then set the side panel away from your work area. Next, remove the 4 screws from the right side panel, but leave the panel in place as you will not need to completely remove it. Remove the screw at the bottom of the back panel, then lift the panel up and away from the stove. The room blower will be the large blower on the right-hand side if you are facing the back of the stove. First, disconnect the wire leads coming from the blower to the wiring harness. Then use the socket driver to loosen all of the screws and remove them. The blower will then be free from the stove. Check your gasket. If it is worn, it will need to be replaced. Install your new blower by holding it in place, then insert and tighten the screws using the socket driver to secure it. Now reconnect the wire leads from the blower to the wiring harness. Put the back panel into place and slide the lip from the right panel over the back panel, then insert and tighten the screws through the side panel. Replace the screw from the back panel. Going to the left side panel, hold the panel close to the stove, then reconnect all of the wiring including the Molex plug. Put the left side panel into place with the lip over the back panel, then insert and tighten the screws to secure it. Now that your project is complete, reconnect power to your stove and check for proper operation. Once again, this video is for informational purposes only. We strongly recommend a certified electrician or stove technician do any repairs for you. If you have any additional questions or need further assistance, please call 866-606-8444 or visit us at breckwell.com. Thank you for watching this edition of BurnTech University.